Hello friends, my name is Manish Kumar Nayak. Hope you all are doing good in this pandemic situation. Okay, so please be careful. Okay, so now today I am going to start lecture on 200 important general science multiple choice question. Okay, and it will be useful for your all the competitive exams. So this lecture means this 200 important general science MCQ. This total lecture is divided into 7 parts. Okay, and each part contains approx 30 plus questions. So these questions are very important because ये सारे क्वेश्चन कभी ना कभी कहीं ना कहीं किसी ना किसी एग्ज़ाम में पूछे गए हैं. ठीक है, तो प्लीज़ बी अटेंटिव गाइस. ओके, और ये सारे मतलब सारे लेक्चर के एंड में आई हैड प्रोवाइडेड वन चार्ट. ओके, सो वेरी यूजफुल चार्ट एंड दैट चार्ट कंटेन्स यूजफुल फैक्ट्स एंड डेटाज रिलेटेड टू जनरल साइंस. ओके, तो जैसे कि आपको क्या करना पड़ता है, आप पढ़ते हैं तो आपको पेज पलट पलट के सारा नोट्स पढ़ना पड़ता है. इससे अच्छा है कि आप इस चार्ट को देख लें. यू टेक द स्क्रीन शॉट ऑफ दिस चार्ट. Okay, or pause the video and see, go through the charts. Okay, so that chart I had given the name booster. Okay, which will enhance your general science knowledge. Okay, and moreover additionally I had added some quiz session. Okay, in the last of the each lecture I had added this quiz session. Okay, it contains some question. Okay, so that you have to answer in the comment section. Okay guys, so let's start. So our first question is mass is the measure of A, matter content, B, weight, C, force, or D, none of these. So answer is matter content. So A is our answer. So A is our answer. Second, the mass is measured by a beam balance, a spring balance, micro balance, or none of these. So answer is A, beam balance. Here I had given the animation also. So it will be helpful to you understand the working of this beam balance. Okay, third question is a hydrometer is used to measure A, density, B, mass, C, weight, and D, RD. RD means relative density. So hydrometer is used to measure. Answer is D, RD, relative density. So here the examiner can give you the specific gravity also. Okay, so relative density and specific gravity both are same, so don't get confused. Okay, so if specific gravity is there, you can take a specific gravity. Okay, now fourth question, among the following the derived quantity is A, mass, B, length, C, density, D, time. So there are two types of quantity, that one is fundamental quantity and second is derived quantity. Fundamental quantity is independent of any other quantity. Okay, but derived quantity is dependent on the fundamental quantity. So here mass is the independent quantity, that is fundamental. Length is also fundamental and time is also fundamental, but density is not the fundamental, so it is the derived quantity. Why? Because density is equal to mass by volume. So our answer is C. Now fifth question, the SI unit of current is Kelvin, ampere, Newton, D, volt. So what will be the answer guys? B is the answer, ampere. 1 micron equals to 10 power minus 3 meter, 10 power minus 9 meter, 10 power minus 6 meter, 10 power minus 2 meter. So what will be the answer? Answer will be C, 10 power minus 6 meter. The SI unit of density, A, gram per meter cube, B, kilogram per meter cube, C, gram per centimeter cube, and D, kilogram per centimeter. So what is the answer? Answer will be B, kilogram per meter cube. Eighth question, which of the following is not a fundamental unit? A, Newton, B, kilogram, C, meter, and D, second. See, kilogram is the fundamental unit of mass. Second is the fundamental unit of time, meter is the fundamental unit of length. But here Newton is the derived unit. Okay, so Newton is the SI unit of weight or force. Okay. So here one chart is, I had provided one chart. So these are the fundamental quantities like length, mass, time, electric current, thermodynamic temperature, amount of substance, luminous intensity. Okay, and their units are also given. Now here factors are also given. Okay, and their names are also given. Okay, so try to remember this because sometimes students get confused in this. Okay, so 10 power 12 is tera, 10 power 9 is giga, 10 power 3 is kilo, and so on, and 10 power minus 12 is pico. Now ninth question is the unit of dash is a derived unit. A temperature, B length, C velocity, and D luminous intensity. What will be the answer? Answer is the C velocity, because velocity depends on distance and time, and formula is distance upon time. 10th question, the SI unit of weight is A kilogram, B Newton, C Newton meter, and D kilometer. So what is the answer, guys? The SI unit of weight is B Newton. So don't confuse with kilogram. Kilogram is the unit of mass. Okay, mass and weight both are different things. 11th question, when a substance is heated, its density A increases, B decreases, C remains same, or D none of these. So answer will be B decreases. So density is equal to what? Density is equal to mass by volume. Okay, now if you heat any substance, what will happen? The volume of that substance will increase. Okay, so if the volume of that substance is increased, then then what will happen? Density is inversely proportional to volume. Okay, so if density is inversely proportional to volume, then volume will increase, then density will definitely decrease. Okay, so that's why density is increasing with the heating of a substance. Now 12th question is, in SI units, candela is the unit of current, temperature, luminous intensity, and or none of the above. So answer is C, luminous intensity. Now 13th question, practical unit of heat is calorie, horsepower, joule, or watt. So answer is A, calorie. If force and displacement of a particle in direction of force are doubled, work would be, okay, what is the work formula? Work is equal to force into डिस्प्लेसमेंट. ओके, तो दोनों क्वांटिटी को अगर 2 टाइम्स कर देंगे तो व्हाट विल हैपन? 2 into 2 इज इक्वल टू 4. सो 4 टाइम्स विल बी द आंसर. If velocity of a body is twice of previous velocity, then kinetic energy will become, what is the formula for kinetic energy, guys? Kinetic energy is equal to 1 by 2 mv square. Okay, now this is the kinetic energy, but what question is saying that velocity will be doubled. So here velocity will become 2v and it will be the whole square, so it will become 4v square. Okay, so your answer will become 4 times. Now 16th question is, the unit of work is Newton, joule, meter, or second. So unit of work is what? Joule. 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 1 joule, 100 joule, 36 joule, or 33.6 into 10 power 3 kilojoule. So answer is D, 3.6 into 10 power 3 kilojoule. I had provided the calculations also here, so go through the calculation, pause the video and go through the calculation. Okay, it is very simple, conversions are there. So let's move. When a stone is thrown upward to a certain height, it pauses. ठीक है, जब भी कोई पत्थर ऊपर फेंकते हैं तो it will store which type of energy? Energy is a potential energy. Kilowatt hour is the unit of time, power, energy, or force. So answer is C, energy. Now 20th question, a fast wind can turn the blades of a windmill because it possesses, wind कौन सा energy possess करता है? B, kinetic energy. 21st question, splitting of uranium, nucleus releases a kinetic energy, B potential energy, C a nuclear energy, or D chemical energy. So answer is nuclear energy. Okay, so see the image also. So this is uranium 235. Okay, now one neutron will hit the uranium and it will get split into two. Again it will get split into two like this. So chain will go on. Okay, तो चैन इसी तरह आगे बढ़ते रहता है and it will produce a lot of heat which will help me, which will use to generate electricity. Okay, so वन थिंग, ये चैन को फिर स्लो कैसे किया जाता है, मीन्स दिस रिएक्शन, हाउ द इंजीनियर्स आर स्लोइंग डाउन दिस रिएक्शन बाय यूजिंग ऑफ सम मॉडरेटर्स लाइक हैवी वाटर और ग्रेफाइट. ओके, now 22nd question guys. A bullet fired from a gun possesses a potential energy, kinetic energy, wind energy or solar energy. Very easy, kinetic energy. 23rd question. Potential energy of your body is minimum when you are standing, or sitting on a chair, or sitting on the ground, or lie down on the ground. See, your body have a center of mass. Okay, now that center of mass point and the distance, the distance between the center of mass point and the ground level, okay, that will decide the level of potential energy in your body. Okay, तो वो डिस्टेंस जितना कम होगा उतना कम पोटेंशियल एनर्जी आपके बॉडी में स्टोर होगा. ठीक है, तो वो सबसे कम कब होगा वो डिस्टेंस, जब आप ज़मीन पे लेट जाएंगे. ओके, व्हेन यू लाई डाउन ऑन द ग्राउंड, दैट टाइम द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन योर सेंटर ऑफ मास and the ground level is very less, so that time the potential energy of your body is minimum. So answer is D, lie down on the ground. So 24th question is, work is defined as, work is equal to force into displacement. So answer will be B, force over a distance. Now 25th question is, the SI unit of energy is A joule, B Newton, C meter per second, or D Newton meter. So SI unit of energy is joule. Okay, so guys, so don't get confused with kilowatt hour. Okay, that is one of the conversion unit. Okay, but here the question is SI unit of energy. Now next question is, what is the sign of the work performed on an object in an uniform circular motion? A 0, B positive, C negative, and D depends on the particular situation. So before going through this question, let us understand the difference between distance and displacement. Okay, so let's see one example. Like if you start from here and if you go in this circular round and you again reach here. Okay, so what is the distance you covered? This all round shape, the distance you covered, let it be 100 meter. Okay, so you had covered the distance of 100 meter, but displacement is 0 here. Why? Because displacement is the distance between इनिशियल पोजीशन एंड द फाइनल पोजीशन. ओके, दोनों के बीच की दूरी कितनी है. ठीक है, इनिशियल और फाइनल पॉइंट के बीच की दूरी कितनी है, तो वो क्या यहाँ पे वो 0 है, क्योंकि आप यहीं से शुरू किए थे यहीं पे ख़त्म हो गए, तो डिस्प्लेसमेंट क्या हुआ, 0 हुआ. ठीक है, तो अगर तो वर्क का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है, फोर्स इनटू डिस्प्लेसमेंट, तो डिस्प्लेसमेंट 0 है तो वर्क भी 0 होगा. नाउ 27, what is the magnitude of the work done by a force acting on a particle instantaneously. ठीक है, तो जब भी एट एन इंस्टेंट जब फोर्स कोई एक्ट करता है तो एट एन इंस्टेंट तुरंत मीन्स इन मिली सेकेंड. ओके, सो दैट टाइम व्हाट विल हैपन, द डिस्प्लेसमेंट इज 0. ओके, तो बॉडी वहीं खड़ा मिलेगा आपको. ठीक है, जैसे मान लीजिए बॉल को आपने धक्का मारा तो एट दैट इंस्टेंट बॉडी वहीं के वहीं है, सो डिस्प्लेसमेंट इज 0, सो वर्क इज ऑल्सो 0. 28th, energy is measured in the same units as power, force, work, none of the above. So energy is measured in the same units as C, work. Now 29th is, the unit of power are defined as joules, newtons, joule per meter or watt. So answer is D, watt. Now next question is, the potential energy is always the same for an object with the same A velocity, B speed, C acceleration and D position. So answer is पोजीशन. ठीक है, मान लीजिए आप एक बॉल है, वो आप उस बॉल को 20 मीटर हाइट पे रख दें, चाहे वो दिल्ली हो, चाहे मुंबई हो, चाहे कोलकाता हो, कहीं भी रखें. ठीक है, तो द पोटेंशियल एनर्जी विल बी द सेम. ओके, सो बिकॉज फॉर्मूला इज mgh. ओके, मास हर जगह सेम रहेगा, ग्रेविटेशनल एक्सीलरेशन भी हर जगह सेम रहेगा और हाइट भी सेम रहेगा. तो क्या हो जाएगा फॉर्मूला के अनुसार पोटेंशियल एनर्जी इसका हर जगह सेम रहेगा. ठीक है. Now 31st is the sum of potential and kinetic energy is always very nice question. This one is okay. So A 0, B positive, D C negative, D none of the above. So answer is D none of the above. ठीक है, क्योंकि पोटेंशियल एनर्जी और काइनेटिक एनर्जी का सम क्या होगा वो पता नहीं. मे बी 0 भी हो सकता है, पॉजिटिव हो सकता है, नेगेटिव कुछ भी हो सकता है. ठीक है, तो इसी क्वेश्चन से रिलेटेड एक और क्वेश्चन वी विल डिस्कस इन द नेक्स्ट पार्ट. ओके, सो दैट पार्ट विल क्लियर योर कन्फ्यूजन रिगार्डिंग दिस. ओके, सो राइट नाउ फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन आंसर इज डी. ओके, so friends, we had completed our MCQ part. Now we will start our booster chart discussion. So here the first booster chart is properties of fundamental particles. Okay, so what are the fundamental particles? Proton, neutron and electron. So what are the mass is for proton and neutron it is approximately same, that is 1.6 into 10 power minus 27, and mass of electron is 9.1 into 10 power minus 31. चार्ज तो आप जानते ही होंगे, प्रोटॉन का पॉजिटिव चार्ज होता है, इलेक्ट्रॉन का नेगेटिव होता है, न्यूट्रॉन का कोई चार्ज नहीं होता है. नाउ प्रोटॉन इज डिस्कवर्ड बाय रदरफोर्ड, न्यूट्रॉन इज डिस्कवर्ड बाय चैडविक एंड इलेक्ट्रॉन इज डिस्कवर्ड बाय थॉमसन. So try to remember this all. Okay, now next chart is related to the image formation by a concave mirror and convex mirror for different position of the object. Okay, so here I had provided the ray diagram also. For this kind of for the question you have to remember the you have not remember your concept should be clear regarding the ray diagram. Okay, if you know how to draw the ray diagram for any situation, definitely you are going to take the correct answer in the exam. Okay, so position of object, like first condition is position का infinity में आपका ऑब्जेक्ट का पोजीशन ऑफ इमेज, मतलब इमेज कहाँ बनेगा, फोकस में बनेगा. मतलब फोकस पॉइंट पे देख सकते हैं आप, ये पोल है P, F इज़ द फोकस पॉइंट, C इज़ द सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर पॉइंट, AB इज़ द व्हाट, AB इज़ योर ऑब्जेक्ट एंड A डैश B डैश दैट इज़ द रेड इन कलर, दिस इज़ योर इमेज. ओके, तो ये तो खैर ये दिस रे डायग्राम इज़ फॉर द सेकेंड केस, दिस वन. This ray diagram is for the second case and this ray diagram is for this last case, and this ray diagram is for the first case, this one for convex mirror. Okay, so हम सेकेंड केस ही देख लेते हैं, बियॉन्ड सी. ओके, देखिए ऑब्जेक्ट कहाँ प्लेस किया गया है, बियॉन्ड सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर. नाउ इमेज कहाँ बन रहा है आपका, बिटवीन फोकस एंड सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर. देखिए रेड कलर बिटवीन फोकस एंड सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर. नाउ ये साइज ऑफ इमेज क्या रहेगा, देखिए साइज का इमेज का साइज क्या हो गया, छोटा हो गया इस केस में. नाउ द नेचर ऑफ इमेज इज व्हाट, रियल एंड इन्वर्टेड. ओके, नाउ व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय रियल इमेज? रियल इमेजेस आर दैट इमेजेस विच फॉर्म्ड बाय द कन्वर्जिंग ऑफ रेजेस. ओके, दैट सी ये जो रेज आ रहा है ये कन्वर्ज होकर इस पॉइंट पे आ रहा है. ठीक है, तो जहाँ पे रेज कन्वर्ज होकर जिस पॉइंट पे इमेज बनाता है उसको क्या बोलते हैं, रियल इमेज. ओके, लेकिन यही इमेज अगर लाइक दिस सेकेंड केस आप देख सकते हैं, यहाँ पे क्या होता है, रेज डाइवर्ज हो रहा है ना, और इसको प्रोजेक्ट करके हम एक इमेज बना रहे हैं. ठीक है, तो जो भी इमेज बनता है प्रोजेक्शन विद द प्रोजेक्शन ऑफ द डाइवर्ज रे, दैट इज नोन एज वर्चुअल इमेज. ओके, सो यहाँ पे क्या है सेकेंड केस में, ये सेकेंड केस में क्या है, आपका इमेज इन्वर्टेड है और रियल है. ठीक है, इसी तरह आपका जो शुरुआत का 5 केस है उसमें सारे नेचर क्या है इमेज के, रियल और इन्वर्टेड है इन द केस ऑफ कॉनकेव मिरर. बट द लास्ट केस दैट इज बिटवीन पोल एंड फोकस. ठीक है, जब आपका ऑब्जेक्ट पोल और फोकस के बीच में रहेगा, आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे इस केस में इस इमेज को, तो आपका पोजीशन इमेज कहाँ बनेगा, बिहाइंड द मिरर सी. ओके, एंड द साइज ऑफ इमेज इज एनलार्ज। देखिए साइज इमेज का क्या है, बड़ा है ऑब्जेक्ट से, और इसका नेचर क्या रहेगा, वर्चुअल एंड इरेक्ट। सी द डायरेक्शन ऑफ द object is the upward, but and the image is also in upward direction only. Okay, so try to memorize it very nicely, because I had provided in one table only, so it will be easy for you to understand and means make the carbon copy of this in your mind. Okay, so next is your convex mirror. Okay, so convex mirror, both the nature of the image is virtual and erect only. Okay, whether your means पोजिशन ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट इज एनीवेयर. ओके, वर्चुअल इन इरेक्ट इसका नेचर हमेशा रहेगा. तो गाइज इसका एक एक आपको एग्जाम्पल पता होना चाहिए. ओके, सो ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट एटलीस्ट 1 or 2 एग्जाम्पल ऑफ द कॉन्केव मिरर एंड कॉन्वेक्स मिरर एंड कमेंट इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. ओके, so it's quiz time now guys. So first quiz is each body segment of earthworm, each body segment of earthworm is called A. proglottid, B. metamere, C. scolex, D. rostellum. Okay, now second question is complete hydrolysis of cellulose gives D. fructose, L. glucose, D. glucose, L. fructose. And third question is how do most insects respire. Respire means सांस कैसे लेते हैं. ठीक है, तो A through skin, B through gills, C by tracheal system and D by lungs. Okay, so give me the answer of this question in the comment section. Okay, I will provide the answer of this question in the next part of the lecture. Okay, so friends, hope you liked the video. So if you liked the video, then please click on the like button, or to get the updation means update रहने के लिए for new videos, subscribe my channel. Okay, have a great day and thank you. Bye.